when you are preparing for UPSC exams, one after another,
Actually, year by year, the facing the failures is very frustrating.
how come JTC came into the picture?
Through YouTube channels, sir, where there were many testimonials where students were telling their success stories.
You have joined in online, offline, or LMS?
It was completely online, sir. Actually, I did not come.
And after that, how many interviews you attended to clear it and to get the offer letter? Was it feeling like a live classroom?
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम सोम प्रकाश एंड वेलकम बैक टू जेटीसी इंडिया यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइज, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि जेटीसी में बहुत टाइम लगता है। आज की इस टेस्टिमोनियल वीडियो में आप ये देखेंगे कि एक लड़का कंप्लीटली एलएमएस मोड में ऑनलाइन, मतलब नो लाइव क्लासेस, ओनली एलएमएस मोड, 2017 पास आउट हुआ, सो 3 years 20 एंड देन अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7-8 years के बाद यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन के बाद वो कैसे आईटी में जॉब लिया, एंड दैट इज टू इन अ गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम 7 to 9 months के बीच में पढ़ाई किया, सब कुछ किया, जीरो से स्टार्ट किया एंड देन फाइनली गॉट प्लेस्ड एंड विद अ गुड ऑफर लेटर, मींस गुड पैकेज, राइट। दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द स्टोरी। सो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे एलएमएस, दैट इज कंप्लीटली इन ऑनलाइन, नो लाइव क्लासेस, कंप्लीटली ऐसे पढ़ के किस तरह का डेडिकेशन रहा होगा, क्या प्लान रहा होगा, एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो। एंड आपको इससे सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा, एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आफ्टर 8 years ऑफ गैप, ठीक है। सो एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस।
So, hi Abhishek, welcome to JTC India YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me here.
Great to see you. Abhishek, tell me about yourself. What's your name? What you have done? Means about your basic introduction.
My name is Abhishek Horoli. I have completed my engineering in 2017 in computer science and engineering degree. From 2017 to 2021, I was preparing for UPSC exams.
You are from which place?
I am from Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka,
Especially
which
Bangalore.
place in Karnataka?
I am right now staying in Bangalore.
Okay, you are staying in Bangalore. Bangalore, which place?
Bangalore, it's near Kyarpuram, Whitefield.
Puram, Whitefield. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you were continuing. Please continue.
Yeah, I have given 4 to 5 years in UPSC preparation. Then I realized that it's a little bit competitive, and I had written once mains also, but I thought I should be exploring other opportunities. So then I started preparing again, brushing up the things. Then I found JTC, and where I learned all the basic concepts, core Java, advanced Java, all the things, and then I prepared for the interviews, and I have now. Yes, I cleared the interview.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So Abhishek, means I wanted to discuss like when you are preparing for UPSC exams,
Yeah.
and one after another unsuccessful attempt.
Yeah.
What was the reaction of your family, and what was your feeling, like how you were getting like, okay, now it's not done, what I have to do next?
Yeah, actually, year by year, the facing the failures is very frustrating, sir. Actually, it's very difficult to handle those also, and because the family who are supporting us, if you are not performing and we are not successful, then obviously they will also feel very bad, and it was a very bad phase to go through. Actually, I decided that if I am not doing well in this, then I can do something else, which I have earned a degree in engineering, so I can do much better in this field also. So then I focused all the things for brushing up the things, all the
You
concepts, and
started
then
preparing for your idea, means previous
yes,
things,
yes,
whatever
yes, sir.
you have done.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Okay, so how come JTC came into the picture?
Yeah, actually, while I was thought of revising all the concepts, because almost it was a 4 to 5 years of gap, because I was not in touch in those in Java or core Java, which I have studied in during the engineering time. So it was very difficult to, because I have no books and no revision materials within myself. So when that time I was looking for other resources, and that time I got to know JTC through YouTube channels, sir, where there were many testimonials where students were telling their success stories, where they have overcome those challenges. So at that time, then I got to know about the JTC, and then I contacted you, sir. Then from there, the journey has begun, sir.
So, like Abhishek, you have joined in online, offline, or LMS. Which mode you were studying?
It was completely online, sir. Actually, I did
Means
not come to
it
visit
was
Noida.
it was in LMS, right?
LMS, yes, LMS, sir.
It is in a pre-recorded video format.
Yes, a pre-recorded video format. But whenever I had a doubt, I approached you, sir.
Okay.
You had guided me in in proper way. That was the thing.
So what was the
Because
process at JTC? Like,
yeah,
I wanted
actually,
to understand from
yes, sir.
you, like you
Yeah.
joined here, you studied it. So how much time you have taken to complete the course, or we have taken to complete the course in LMS? And after that, how many interviews you attended to clear it and to get the offer letter?
So just actually the LMS course was designed in such a way it has started from the basic things to the advanced thing. For example, they have covered a simple of simplest thing like what is a literal, how we can write a code from there, like what is JVM, JRE, all these things. From there to they have taught till like JDBC servlets, like REST APIs, Spring Boot, which is our advanced topics. Which it's a complete from basic to advanced, which we were able to learn all these concepts. And it is also in a very structured format, because after JDBC they will have a servlet, after servlets they will have some like a Spring
SP.
MVC, Spring Boot, after that REST APIs and Postman, all these things. Like the course also designed in a structured way, and all the classes with actually practical implementation through online Eclipse IDE, that was very helpful.
What is your feedback on LMS videos? What we have recorded, in what manner we have recorded? Was it feeling like
Yes.
a live classroom? Was it like that, or
Yeah,
it was?
almost I felt it was live only, because actually when I was studying JDBC and servlets, after each of the class I was also going to the my laptop, and I was also executing the same programs which you have done in the classes. Like whether I am getting the output or no, whether I'm getting a hands-on or no, all these things I have tried, sir. Actually it was like a live interaction only with you while I was
Great, great,
watching the
Abhishek.
recorded videos.
Abhishek, when you are studying in online, how to keep yourself motivated so that, because once you are studying in offline classes, that gives completely different vibes, whereas when you are studying it online, it gives completely different vibe, right? So how you are managing yourself in online classes, how you are getting stuck to the your routine, what was your study daily routine for your studies?
Yeah, actually, I used to start with the JTC courses only, sir, from starting the class. Then, when I get to know, okay, what I am have to focus and what I am not to focus, because when I was studying, I used to see the lecture. I used to get the output, like what to study from, like what materials to follow, and like what are exactly the courses and all these things. It's a very clearly in a recorded format, and it was very helpful for me to follow, because and there are also the module, like if we complete the basic Java, then we will be able to go to the core and advanced Java. Unless and until we finish the basic, then we will not be able to move ahead.
Right,
That
it
was
is
what
logged module.
yes, that
It is
helped
logged module.
me also, sir. Like it was very
Great,
helpful
great,
in that
great,
moment.
great. And what suggestion you would be giving to online students, those who are studying at JTC in an online format?
Yeah, actually one suggestion I give is like follow all the courses which is there in a recorded format. If you get any doubts, then approach the sir, or just like text sir what are the problems you are facing. Then you will get the solution, or they will call back you and they will clarify or resolve your doubts. And then, but one suggestion is like just don't watch the videos as they are. Along with the,
Ah,
you also practice in your own IDs, so that you will get the hands-on feeling of what exactly it is, how to connect to the databases, and how you have to write the SQL queries and all these things, sir. Actually that one.
usually, what happens when the students are there in online, they are just watching the videos, mostly, I'll say.
Yes, sir. Correct, correct.
And when you are watching the video, so just by watching the video, what you are thinking that, okay, now I have done, I'm clear with these concepts. But somehow that is not going to help much unless if you're not practicing it.
Yes,
Because
sir.
for every course, you can say every module, there we are giving the workbooks, we are giving the study materials.
Correct, sir.
So workbook is there, see it, practice it, type it. Once you are typing the program, once you are practicing the program, you will get a lot of errors. So
Correct,
while
correct.
solving itself, you will learn a lot.
Yes, yes, that is
Number of
that is
students, what they are doing in online, they will simply copy paste from the PDF, they will paste it in IDE, they will run it. So in
Yeah.
that booklet we have given the program which is perfectly running. You are simply copying and pasting and seeing the output, so that is no results you are able to see.
One example if I want to give is like while I was studying JDBC, I initially when you taught me like what is statement, prepare statement, callable statement, at that time it was very confusing. But when I got to the IDE and I executed, okay, what is prepared statement, what is callable statement, like how they are very different from each other, then if we get the output and when we write the code
Program.
ourselves, then we will get to know, sir, exactly
And
what are
to
the
that,
difference.
to initial classes, what happens? I try to generalize the things. I try to explain the things in a general way, and then
Yeah,
slowly, I'll be coming into the programming. At
correct,
least
sir.
you should understand as a whole what is the concept, and
Concept,
then
correct.
one by one we can decode it. We can go into in depth.
Yeah, sure. Right, sir,
So
correct.
that is one thing. That is one thing. How
Yes.
many total interviews you have attended, Abhishek?
Actually, I have attended nearly 8 or 10 interviews, sir. In that, I had almost reached a final interview in 2, 3 companies, and I have given 2 HR rounds, sir.
So what is your learning from these interviews?
Yeah, actually I felt the most important learning is be strong in the core Java which you have to be doing, like example, you should be thorough in exception handling, like try catch and all these things we should be knowing, multi-threading, like we have to go in depth. Actually one important thing while I was preparing is, which it has helped from me is you is like it was in a YouTube video you have a list of Java interview questions, sir. Actually in
Right.
that list you have almost 29-30 interview questions. In that you have explained detail, like initially I used to confuse with like what is like I know string pool, but exactly where is the string pool and how the string literals are different from string objects and all these things. But that video made like life changing while I gave you that was
Yeah,
exactly.
but that is free
And
of cost available on YouTube now. So they will think that, or people will think that in means what is there in that.
no,
But
no, sir, actually that is some glimpse of exactly what you have been teaching in the LMS
right,
course.
right. Even I will suggest everyone on YouTube. We have one interview preparation playlist.
Yes,
Those
yes.
who are going for interview, maybe you have studied from somewhere, or maybe you are not studying at JTC. Maybe you are studying at JTC. You are trying to go for the interview. At least for core Java, you watch that tutorial.
Correct, correct, sir.
I'll
Correct.
put it in the means description also.
Yeah,
You
correct, sir.
watch it. It will help you a lot. At least it will brush up your concepts like anything, and anywhere you will be easily able to explain the concepts.
Correct, correct, sir. Correct.
What
That was,
package? What package you are having at this? What is your offer later?
yeah, sir. Right now I am having 9 LPA, sir.
9 LPA you are having.
Yes,
So
yes.
now are you satisfied with this offer?
Right now, actually, considering all the things which I have given the interviews, like I am almost satisfied, sir. But I am trying to give more interviews. But I am very much satisfied. And actually, I want to go to the company and just grab the experience and just start doing the things, sir.
So is that like you were having 6 7 years of gap?
Yes, sir.
So is that in any interview, did they ask you what you were doing in these years?
No, 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 no. That's one important lesson I have learned, because actually what matters in the interview is the skill set what we have, and the skills what we showcase to the interviewer, that matters uh, to the great extent than the experience what we have, sir. Like
Right.
actually none of
Skills.
the interviewer has asked me like why you are not working, like whether it has costed you or no. No such questions have been asked, sir, till now.
That is one important thing, because when any student, when they are calling to JTC, they will be asking like, what we have to explain for our year gap. I tell
Correct,
to
correct.
everyone, you don't have to explain anything.
And
Simple thing
they
is
will not
you need to explain your concepts, whatever you are
concept.
mentioning, whatever you are writing in your resume, whatever projects you are writing, whatever concept.
Correct.
If you are able to explain it well in a proper manner, then no need to explain about your past, what you have done,
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
what you have done. Because ultimately, any interviewer wants that what is your current skill set, and based on that, whether you will be able to work or not.
Yes, sir. Correct, correct. That is sure, sir. I have experienced that, and none of the interviewer has asked me why it's the year gap and all these things. And if we justify the year gap, also they'll like actually, if I want to say, they are not interested what you have done in the previous or
Obviously, nobody's. I'll tell you
yes,
one simple example.
yeah,
Maybe 5 years back, you have worked with some software company, maybe TCS, Infosys, or Accenture. You have worked. You are a good software developer. From past 5 years, due to some reason, you have not worked. right? And now you are going to search the job. Will they consider that, okay, what you have done before 5 years? No.
No, exactly,
Are
correct.
you getting
Yes,
what
yes.
matters is what you have done in the recent year and currently
Recently. What
whether
skill
you
set
have
we?
the knowledge set or not.
Yes, sir. Correct,
The
correct.
skill set
That
you
is
have it or not. If you don't
correct.
have that skill set, then what you have done before 5 years,
They will not consider
that
it.
it is not going to matter, right?
Matter, correct,
That
correct.
is one very
Important.
important things. सभी स्टूडेंट्स को जो लोग भी देख रहे हैं, आप सभी लोगों को एक पॉइंट आप समझिए कि देखिए आप अपना मेंटल ब्लॉकेज मत बना के चलिए। इनको एलएमएस से पढ़ने में टोटल 7 महीने के अंदर सब कुछ कंप्लीट कर लिया। 1-2 महीने लगे इनको 2-3-4 इंटरव्यू देने में, क्रैक करने में, एंड फाइनली इज हैविंग द ऑफर लेटर। आई रिमेंबर कि इस लड़के ने जब पहला इंटरव्यू, मॉक इंटरव्यू जेटीसी के अंदर दिया, मैंने फर्स्ट मॉक में ही बोल दिया कि ओके नाउ स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द रिज्यूमे। डिड आई टोल्ड यू और नॉट?
Yes, sir. You have told me, sir.
राइट। बहुत सारे लोग YouTube पे जो देखते हैं उनको लगता है कि ये स्टूडेंट्स को कहां से हम लोग पकड़ के लाते हैं, इज दैट वी आर पेइंग सम मनी फॉर देम टू रिकॉर्ड टेस्टिमोनियल एंड ऑल। आप इतना ज्यादा आपको नेगेटिव नहीं होना है, यू डोंट हैव टू बी नेगेटिव। यस, आफ्टर सिलेक्शन वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग देम दैट बॉस कैन यू रिकॉर्ड वन टेस्टिमोनियल, आर वी डूइंग इट और नॉट अभिषेक?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are requesting. That
Right.
no,
We are
this.
requesting
Yes,
that, okay, if you can do it. Out of all that itself, there are number of students, majority students, they'll say, no, sir, I'm shy, I'm not able to record or this, that. We say, okay, no problem. If you're not able to record, leave it, no problem. So that is one important thing. And patience. Every day,
Patience.
7-8 hours, if you are ready to give, so 6-7 months, 8 months is enough. This is the main fact, this is the main thing which you should focus. And अभी ये 1 साल 2 साल जॉब करेंगे, कोई स्विच करेंगे, 9 लाख है, 10 लाख से आराम से 18 लाख 20 लाख पे ये नेक्स्ट स्विच करेंगे तो करियर ऑलमोस्ट सेटल हो गया। व्हाट एल्स ही नीड्स? और ये चीज जो है 7-8 महीने या मान लिया 10 महीने की अंदर में इफ ही हैज अचीव्ड, सो कितना ही टाइम लग गया, क्या लग गया? टाइम तो वैसे भी नहीं, कुछ नहीं भी करते तो टाइम तो जाता ही था। Why I'm telling in Hindi, Abhishek? Because most of the viewers, number of students, they're from the Hindi belt also, so they'll be more comfortable in that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the reason why I explained it in Hindi also. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
anything else you want to suggest to students, those who are still struggling for UPSC exams from past 5 years, 6 years, 10 years? And what is your suggestion for them? What is your advice for them?
या मेरा सजेशन ये रहेगा कि सर एक्चुअली हम यूपीएससी को विथ होप देते हैं सर एग्जाम क्लियर करने का होप से, बट कंपटीशन ही इतना ही है कि लाइक समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू अचीव व्हाट वी हैव ड्रीम्ड, बट दिस इज नॉट द आंसर। हम हमारा अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत सारा है सर, हम वी जस्ट गो आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड सीक फॉर द राइट गाइडेंस, and when we want to put efforts, whether we are clearing the UPSC, and here also we have to put efforts, a little bit effort, then with good knowledge and skill set and with good guidance सर हम आराम से लाइक थोड़े महीने के अंदर ही हम अच्छे ऑफर्स क्रैक कर सकते हैं सर।
राइट। एक और क्वेश्चन है कि यू आर देयर इन द बैंगलोर, बहुत सारे
Yes,
लोगों का
sir.
एक क्वेश्चन होता है, बैंगलोर इज एन, यू कैन से, एन आईटी कैपिटल। आई
Yes,
हैव
sir.
आल्सो स्टडीड फ्रॉम द बैंगलोर इटसेल्फ
Okay.
and yeah, I was staying, means from long time I was there only.
Hmm.
So how come you joined in institute which is from Noida? Are you getting
Yeah.
it?
Yes, yes.
This is one very interesting question.
Yeah. ये बात है कि सर एक्चुअली मैं लाइक आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर द ऑनलाइन कोर्स इटसेल्फ, लाइक आई वाज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द कोर्सेज, बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू यूट्यूब चैनल मेरे को ये लग रहा था कि लाइक विच इंस्टीट्यूशन कैन हेल्प मी टू ब्रश ऑफ माय थिंग्स एंड गिव मी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द गाइडेंस टू क्लियर द इंटरव्यूज। सो एट दैट टाइम मेरे यूट्यूब से बहुत हेल्प हुआ सर, आपका इंस्टीट्यूशन मेरे को दिमाग में आया, देन आपको रीच आउट किया, बाद में द सभी प्रोसेस हैज बीन सर फ्रॉम देयर। It's
Yeah.
just for like online research only, like till from starting JTC to the offer letter which I have got, it is completely the thing I have utilized online resources in a very well manner, like reaching out to you and because I have not given any face to face interview sir, all the things has been done online
Everything
only,
is in online, right?
everything in online. That
Great, Abhishek. Great.
yes,
Simple, sir. Understand. Everyone, please understand that when you are joining JTC, After joining JTC, we will start classes whether you are in online, whether you are in offline, or you are in self-paced course. Self-paced course, which means on LMS, pre-recorded videos. That is as usual as in compared to online or live classes, it takes less time to complete if the student is completely focused on that.
Yes.
At least he is able to give 6-7 years 8 hours of time per day, so easily 6 to 7 months he can complete course properly, and taking one extra month to prepare for the interview. After that he can start attending the interview. Once your course is completed, we will start having the mock interviews. In mock, we will decide that whether you are okay or not, whether you are well prepared or not. Based on your mock, we used to suggest that, boss, please prepare these concepts. It will help you in interview. Some students used to follow, some students are not following. That is not the case. I'm telling you the process what we follow at JTC. After your mock, once everything is done, once we are clear that okay, you are good with the subjects, you are good with the concepts, you are good with the logical questions, you are good with the explanation part, then we'll start doing the projects. We'll take some small projects. In that projects, you will understand completely that what flow is going on, what is the project, okay, whether it is from e-commerce, whether it is from banking, whether it is from, means you can say manufacturing industry, what kind of project you are having, automobile. Based on that, you will prepare the project. We'll explain the project, what project is, how you need to explain that projects in interview, what is your roles and responsibilities, everything in the project. Based on that, we will prepare a resume. We will give you a resume to you. Based on that, we will start getting the interview calls. In interview calls, when you are attending that, sometimes you may clear that interview, sometimes you may not clear that interview. It completely depends on you. Nobody else is responsible for that. You are only going to be responsible. In one interview, if you are not able to clear that interview, in first interview you are not able to clear it, you need to learn the things, that what mistakes you have done in the first interview. After that, the same things, you can say whatever you have learned in the first interview, apply it in the second interview. Whatever mistakes you have done in first interview, improve it and attend the second interview. Similarly, if you are doing 3-4 interviews, after fourth or after fifth interview, most of the questions will start repeating and you will be able to answer the things confidently. But if you are not analyzing yourself, if you are not preparing yourself interview after an interview, and simply you keep on attending interview, I'll tell you 50 interview if you will attend, then also will not be able to get the selection. But if you are preparing properly, if you are understanding, if you are holding yourself accountable for something, so hardly 2, 3, 4 or 5 interviews is enough to get the offer letter. And IT में जॉब से ज्यादा इजी और कहीं किसी फील्ड में जॉब आपके लिए नहीं है. मैटर इज कंसिस्टेंसी. 7-8 months 10 months का टाइम आपको देना होगा, वो देना ही होगा. इफ somebody is saying that okay in 2 months I can help you to get the job, वो नहीं हो सकता. In 2 months 3 months you cannot learn the things, because it is something जो आपके दिमाग में जाना है, बट बैठना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो आपको रट लेना है, याद करना है, उसके बेसिस पे you cannot get the job, right? So 7-8 months time, it is usual. If you are seeing something every day, you are seeing something, right? It will take that time. It is not for me or it is not for anyone. It is for you only. You only have to prepare that, right? So this is overall things journey at JTC, which I explained in a simple or short way. Abhishek, thank you for coming and thank you for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you, sir.
And it's great, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. You have done great job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for helping me out to secure a job and guiding me in the right direction.
Sir, we are helping to everyone, or we
Yes.
are doing our best to everyone. It's only the
Yes.
matter is who is taking seriously and who is not taking it seriously.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Nothing else, right? It is your effort and your focused approach has helped you to achieve that
Yes, sir.
job or get that offer letter. That is
Yes, sir.
one thing what you have done. And well done, Abhishek. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.